Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when satiety awakens the mind. Ladies and gentlemen, across cultures and centuries, humanity has sought clarity of mind, steadiness of emotion, and a sense of inner equilibrium. One quiet yet profound contributor to this balance is satiety, the simple state in which the body feels nourished, the senses feel settled, and the mind becomes free to think with precision and calm. In today's rapidly moving world, where some hearts yearn for food itself and others search for balance amid abundance, the role of satiety emerges not merely as a physical condition but as foundation to dignity, learning, productivity, and the subtle awakening of human potential on the pathway for enhancing cognitive excellence, energy, efficiency, and emotional harmony. Modern science reveals that the human brain, though only a small fraction of body weight, consumes a significant share of metabolic energy. Its performance depends on steady biochemical signals that arise when the body experiences adequate nourishment. When satiety is achieved, neither deprivation nor overindulgence, the brain's energy pathways stabilize. Neural circuits related to focus, decision making, and emotional regulation operate more fluidly. Hormones such as leptin and serotonin released when the body senses fullness and balance communicate directly with regions linked to creativity, memory formation, and calm alertness. When satiety falters for reasons, say because food is scarce, because nutrition lacks balance, or because meals fall out of sync with the body's internal clock, the brain's rhythm shifts and clarity becomes harder to sustain. This truth appears every day in the lives of millions. A worker who begins before dawn with an empty stomach brings skill and dedication, yet the body's quiet need for nourishment limits reaction time, endurance, and focus. A child who walks into a classroom without adequate nourishment brings curiosity and promise, yet attention, retention, and physical engagement remain fragile until the body finds balance. Even where food is available, insufficient protein and erratic eating weaken satiety signals, sending the body toward short-lived carbohydrate fixes and leaving the mind prone to swings of energy and mood. Circadian rhythm is a vital part in this equation of satiety. For millennia, human digestion and metabolism worked in harmony with daylight. Science now confirms that eating at regular intervals aligned with the day's light enhances nutrient use and stabilizes satiety signals. Late night meals or skipped breakfasts or even irregular eating time confuse the body's hormonal messaging and make mental steadiness harder to attain. In short, what is eaten and when it is eaten together shape the mind's capacity to think clearly and respond with composure. When satiety is absent, subtle emotional currents arise, diminished confidence, a narrowing of perspective, and heightened focus on immediate need. Satiety brings the opposite, a quiet security that expands cognitive bandwidth, fosters calm judgment, and supports dignified action. Ancient wisdom mirrored these truths long before modern laboratories uncovered them. Traditions across the world taught that a mind elevated in thought rests on a body at ease, and therefore balanced nutrition, nourishment, and rhythmic living were taught as the preparation for clear thought and wise conduct. Today, many find themselves navigating extremes, some confronting real scarcity, others facing hidden imbalances despite abundance. Yet the underlying human need remains universal. The brain flourishes not under strain but under nutritional harmony. Satiety supports emotional steadiness, stabilizes energy rhythms, and enables clearer perception. When the body feels at peace, the mind awakens to its highest potential. What's the way forward? A clear, compassionate path unfolds. Where food is available, cultivate conscious nourishment, balanced meals with sufficient protein, and eating patterns that respect the body's circadian rhythm. Where scarcity exists, strengthen social structures so those who labor and those who learn receive steady, dignified nourishment. Schools and workplaces that provide balanced meals unlock better learning, steadier productivity, and greater well-being. At the community level, encourage sustainable food systems, shared gardens, and local initiatives that mirror nature's generosity, making access to nourishing food an everyday reality rather than an exception. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, satiety is a quiet force that shapes thought, studies emotion, and directs life. When the body feels settled, the mind becomes spacious. When the mind is spacious, the spirit rises effortlessly. And when the spirit rises, human potential unfolds with a grace that uplifts families, communities, and nations. In the timeless wisdom of revered Bhagavad Gita, spoken in the words of Lord Krishna, the mind at peace, rooted in clarity and moderation, is the mind that shines with true knowledge and becomes the steady chariot that carries life toward its highest purpose. And when such steadiness takes birth within a human being, when satiety settles in body and mind, every step becomes clearer, every choice wiser, and every life becomes a quiet beacon guiding the world toward harmony. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.